Okay, hey guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install more memory into your MacBook. Mine in particular is a white 2010 model. I'm going to be upgrading from 2 gigabytes to 4 gigabytes. You need the DDR3 RAM for this to work. This is the kind I have. I purchased mine from my local Micro Center, which is like a Best Buy for you all who don't know what that is. So first you need to power down your computer and turn it over. You're going to need I think it's a 0.00 screwdriver to loosen the screws on the back. So let's get started. Back off. Right here, you need to, these two separate nudges here, you need to remove. And once you pull these two apart, slowly pull them out so you don't break anything. Open up your RAM. One. Make sure you line this up with the indicator mark in your device. Push down. That's one. That's two. So that's pretty much it. Okay, so I'm back to show you that I have 4 gigabytes of RAM. I'm gonna go to my Mac icon, about this Mac. Right here, 4 gigabytes of RAM, DDR3 memory. It has two separate modules that equal 4 gigabytes of RAM. So each is 2 gigabytes of RAM. You can probably find this RAM on Amazon for around $30 to $40, or you can find 8 gigabytes for around 40 to 60 gigabyte dollars. But mine was $42.99 off sale, which is kind of pricey. But it's only kind they had. Or I would have got 8 gigabytes because it's double the amount of RAM, which I think is a good enough upgrade. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.